table I came up with, same sort of theme as the kitchen behind me here. So we'll jump into the video here and show you how I made it. Alright, this is my work table that I was telling you about. I want to change this worktop, make it lower. So I'm thinking roughly this height here, which is 6.5 inches smaller, roughly 32 inches high total. So I think I'll be able to use it more when it's a bit smaller and lower and easier to move around, because at the minute, as I say, I hardly ever use it because it's too high. I like a table where it's low so you can build stuff on it. And you can always bring it up if it's not high enough for you. Put a wee block or something under the wheels. So I'll get into it here and take this apart. I'm going to use the timber off this, and I've 4 sheets of 12mm ply and 1 sheet of 18mm ply left from this kitchen. So it should be plenty here to do this work table. So I'll put these on time lapse here and take this apart. about at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I just want to give you a quick measurement here. It's roughly 31 inches, a wee bit lower than 800 mil, and it's a metre long, roughly 39 inches by 2.2, roughly 87 inches. Yeah, so put double sockets on it here, here and here, and down the far end as well. And then I've just this side done here with a few wee clamps and squares and stuff. I'm going to do the same down the bottom there as well. I haven't decided what I'm going to put there yet, but if I'm using anything, I can just pull these out. There's a sander. Just keep all the spare parts, sandpaper and stuff in them. So I can just unroll it there, I'll plug it in. I can plug it in down here, down there, whatever side you're working on, and then you can sand away. Some people might like the height, but as I say, whenever I was making that or whenever I had that assembly table made, the one I took apart to make this, I just put a different top on it. It was too high and I never used it. There's a wee table there I always use, but it's falling apart. But I never used the big table, I always used that small table. So hopefully I'll get a lot more use out of this table. And yeah, so I'll see it more in the YouTube videos. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Alright, I'm just going to give you a wee walk around it here before I go. I meant to say, I see these wee tubs, they just started being key, and they're only wee plastic flimsy ones. Once Milwaukee comes out with the crates, the pack out crates at a reasonable price in the UK, I'm going to change all these ones and these ones down here, but they're just a wee sticker on a wee tub, so it is, or a bin as what they would call in America.